can you be sure you're getting the best deal on a new Chevrolet, Cadillac, Buick, or GMC? Shop and compare at Van York's GM Auto Park in High Point.
If you want more than just a car, imagine driving this '06 Chevrolet Avalanche with an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. This utility truck has alloy wheels, a bed liner, privacy glass, tonneau cover, steering wheel audio and cruise controls, trailer wiring, 6-passenger seating, split folding rear seat, power driver seat, heated outside mirrors, tow hooks, and much more. Get where you need to go. You'll enjoy the drive in this '06 Chevrolet Avalanche. See us at Van York's GM Auto Park today.
Chevrolet, Cadillac, Buick, GMC. Be sure at Van York's GM Auto Park in High Point.